You've finally decided to ditch the debt and embrace a budget. You've heard amazing things about YNAB. You need a budget, but you're wondering, does it actually go back and grab all your old spending data? Let's dive in. YNAB itself doesn't have a magical feature that automatically pulls in every single past transaction from your bank accounts. It's more of a manual entry system. Think of it like this: YNAB is your personal financial command center. You're the general, and you're giving it the orders. You'll need to tell YNAB where your money is going and where it's coming from. Here's the good news. Manual entry is powerful. While it might seem tedious at first, manually entering your past transactions can be incredibly insightful. You'll get a crystal clear picture of where your money has been going. You might be surprised by some of the recurring expenses you've forgotten about: that daily coffee run, those monthly magazine subscriptions that you never read. Focus on the present and future. YNAB emphasizes living within your means today and planning for a brighter tomorrow. While understanding past spending habits is valuable, the real power of YNAB lies in its ability to help you make conscious spending decisions now and for every paycheck to come. Tips for entering past transactions. Start with the recent past. Don't try to go back years and years. Begin with the last 3 to 6 months of spending. Categorize accurately. Take your time and categorize each transaction thoughtfully. This is crucial for understanding your spending patterns. Use import tools. Some banks and financial institutions offer limited import functionality with YNAB. However, these imports often require cleaning up and categorization. Don't get overwhelmed. Enter data in small chunks. Don't try to do it all in one sitting. The power of YNAB lies in your action. Remember, YNAB is a tool. It's as effective as you make it. The real magic happens when you track your spending consistently. Even a few minutes each day can make a huge difference. Review your budget regularly. Analyze your spending patterns, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your budget accordingly. Embrace the YNAB philosophy. YNAB isn't just about tracking numbers, it's about changing your mindset around money. It's about giving every dollar a job, prioritizing your values, and achieving your financial goals. While YNAB doesn't automatically pull in your entire spending history, the process of manually entering past transactions can be incredibly valuable. It provides valuable insights into your spending habits and sets the stage for a more mindful and intentional financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.